This is called a goose breast cake, and it is a Danish cake that's over 100 years old in origin. Originally, it kind of grew out of the holiday seasons, which like the Nordic people love. They really know how to do winter. The original one had a puff pastry bake, but in modern times, a sponge cake is more popular. This is historically a prune-loving cake. So I'm excited because I'm going to give it a little twist. We're switching the cocoa that's usually on top to be the sponge cake to give it a richer base. We're infusing that nice jammy classic prune filling with tart summer berries to give it a little acid lift, which I think is gonna really let that jamminess of the prune shine. And then that's gonna sit with a little custard and be topped with a lemon verbena infused whipped cream, and then finally that sheet of marzipan that makes it classic and look like that goose breast. It's a lot easier than it sounds, I promise. I really want this to be an approachable bake. In Denmark, this is something that almost every bakery has, and everybody wants it. It's now no longer tied to the holiday. It's very much a prime indulgent for afternoon tea. So everyone should be able to make it and have a little treat for themselves.